remove everything from the back, this part, and also remove this seat here. Pops up like this. You unhook it. So you pop it up high enough to unhook it, and it'll come out like that. Same with the other side. Seat pops off. Alright, then we pop this side panel here. These little clips. And then we go unbolt this part. Then you pop these screws here, here,
red, right?
here, and there. Yup, that's red. And also back here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pop those, you'll be able to take the seat out, the back part here. Then we can get this cage off. Also pop that. Make sure you have a slight extension piece on your drill. You also have screws here for the cage. 1, 2, 3, 4. We already took them out. The last one I'm taking out now. Also with these screws here. So before we take the seat out, actually, this has to come off. So we pull this up like that. Then pull this up here. That comes out. That'll free up the cord enough to where you can turn this part like this and slide it out. This comes off and you can take the seat out. So I got one seat out. Another thing, unhook this here that's attached to the seat before you just go out and pull on this and pull that out. So you attach this piece and you attach that piece, or reattach or unattach, and then you take out these clips behind the seat, and then these little grooves has the seat in there still. Just kind of like shimmy it around a little bit to get that out of the groove. Bring it forward or backwards, one or the other, and you can get that out like that, and then the seat's ready to come out. Now we have to remove this little plastic piece. It's like four screws. One there on both sides. That should pop up out of there. You gotta remove this thing too. Sit that on the side. Just it pops up from down there, so just kind of like maneuver it out. There you go. That can actually sit on the ground too.
Alright.
Pops up. Now you have it free. Now you have to remove these. 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the other side. Oh.